Hi everyone! So my friends from Growled Corporation came over to install a head unit and a 360 dash camera for my car. Now this car has been with me for 5 years. It's like my second home. I spend most of my time here, especially when I have work and when it's traffic. So I'm really very happy about this because this will elevate my entertainment experience and I feel a lot safer with the 360 dash cam. Now the reason why I chose Growled Corporation is because I know that they're the most trusted brand. They even give 1-year warranty, lifetime free service, so I highly recommend them. Please do check them out in their retail stores, guys, or you can go to their website, growlaudio.com. Thank you so much, Growled Corporation. I am such a happy, satisfied customer. Thank you!